Hi, hello friends, welcome to our channel URBANKERSMANTRA. I hope all you are good and preparing well. And first of all of you thank you who are supporting us. And we are preparing for RRB PO and CLERK 2022. And daily in evening I am providing daily to-do list for both PO and CLERK. And also IBPS CLERK notification released, and we should also prepare for that. And for that I am including English section in this to-do list, and quant and reasoning are same. And if you have any doubts about this daily to-do list, you can comment in comment section or ask in my Telegram group, and that link is in description. And I hope you are all following my daily to-do list. So as usual, early in morning revise the basics of each subject like tables, squares, cubes, alphanumeric values and some formulas, etc. So on daily basis revise the basics of each subject, and don't forget to revise the basics of any subject. And after that on daily basis read daily current affairs, and who are beginners they can prefer from adda 247 or grade up, and who are already preparing they can prefer from affairs cloud or study IQ. So on daily basis read daily current affairs, and after that watch an editorial video, and there is a live class from adda YouTube channel by Santhosh sir at morning 8 am. So daily watch an editorial video from adda 247. And after that on daily basis attempt a clerk pre-exam from one of your source. After attempting it, analyze its weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation for your pre-exam. And after that give 1 hour for each practicing quant and reasoning for pre-level. So tomorrow for quant pre-level practice quizzes for time and work topic, and also for reasoning pre-level attempt quizzes on floor based puzzles, and we have many free PDFs from SmartKid and practice mock. So practice all those for our pre-level. And in afternoon who are beginners they repeat the morning schedule or practice PDFs for your weak areas where you are lacking, and if you weak in any topic practice for that. And we have many free PDFs from SmartKid and practice mock. So practice all those in afternoon, and give as much as possible for practicing pre-level who are beginners. And also IBPS clerk notification released, so we have to prepare for that also. And for that give 1 hour for practicing English section for pre-level. And for that English section tomorrow attempt quizzes on error detection for English pre-level, and give your time as much as possible for practicing all these for our pre-level. And also in afternoon who are beginners give 2 hours for practicing reasoning pre-level, and for that reasoning pre-level practice 50 puzzles per day from previous year papers, and also we have many free PDFs from different apps. So tomorrow practice 50 puzzles for reasoning pre-level. And who are preparing for mains in afternoon give 1 hour for each practicing quant, reasoning and in English for our mains preparation. And for our mains preparation tomorrow attempt sectional mock test from adda 247 app, and those are all very helpful for our mains preparation. And also for our mains preparation give 1 hour for reading banking awareness and computer awareness. And for banking awareness tomorrow read public finance and budget topic multiple choice questions. And also for our computer awareness read database communication and network topic multiple choice questions, and these two PDFs are in our Telegram group, so you can read from that. And in evening also give 1 hour for reading current affairs, and we completed May current affairs. So from tomorrow onwards read June first week current affairs from one of your source. And after that before going to sleep attempt a PO prelims exam from one of your source, and after attempting it analyze its weak areas where you are lacking, and note down all your weak areas on a paper for the next day preparation. And also I will provide all the links and PDFs for these daily to-do list topics in my Telegram group URBANKERSMANTRA. And also who are beginners if you have any doubts about these topics and also about this exam, you can freely ask in my Telegram group, and I will provide that link in description. And that's all for tomorrow's to-do list, and thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates and daily updates, and thank you.